Alright. Just make sure you can...
Ooh, nice.
See, it's got a little bit of the red inside.
It's pretty. I like it.
You don't like the smell, though.
Yeah, I know it smells bad. You know I'm filming.
Yeah, I know.
Good.
You like that?
Shall I upload this to YouTube?
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Want to try a wavy one?
Yeah, do wavy.
Oh, that looks pretty.
Ooh, that one's very pretty. Aw, yeah.
There. You like that? It looks like a smile.
That's
Alright.
so cute.